Yo, what's up? Ito po yung PTC channel. So, ngayon, i-unbox natin tong Diecast Metal Philippine Tricycle. Yo, what's up? This is PTC channel and today we're going to unboxing the Philippine Tricycle Diecast Metal. Ayan, so actually, matagal ko na yung nabili. I-unbox natin. Kahit matagal na, i-unbox natin yan. Binili ko yan guys, 2018 sa Kultura. Ang ganda niya guys, grabe. Ayan, nasa box. Ayan yung Philippine Tricycle. Ayan yung flag ng Philippines. Ayan, Diecast Metal. The other side, ayan, Philippine Tricycle. Diecast Metal. Yung tsura niya, yung nasa loob. Ayan, picture. Yung nasa loob. The other side, same. On the top, ayan, Philippine Tricycle. Ayan. Picture niya. Ang ganda guys, grabe no. On the bottom, wala naman. Oh, yun yung price guys. On the back, sa likod ng box, ayan. Yun yung makita yung Philippine Tricycle. Alam, basahin nyo, post it if you read. Ako babasahin natin guys. A result of the Filipinos' ingenuity, the Philippine Tricycle ferries passengers to just about anywhere in the roads that may not even be accessible to other forms of transportation because of its small size. It can weave it and out of small streets easily and safely. It can carry as many as 6 grown-ups, including its drivers. The tricycle is powered by an ordinary motorcycle attached to a small but comfortable sidecar. Yan guys, basta post it if you read. Okay guys, so ano pa hinihintay natin? So buksan na natin to in 3, 2, 1, go. So yan guys, buksan natin siya, yan. Ayan guys, so natanggal ko sa screw guys. Actually may screw siya guys. So ayan, tinanggal ko na. Ayan, wala na guys. Ayan, nahirapan tuloy ako hanapin yung screwdriver nung bago ko to binuksan ko siya guys bago ko hanapin yung screwdriver. Ayan, ayan tricycle. Tapos yun yung backdrop. Kita nyo guys, yan yung vegan. Ayan guys, so ang ganda ng gawa nila guys. So ayan yung vegan. So mag-comment lang kayo guys kung nakapunta na kayo ng vegan. Ayan. Ayan guys, yung alam ko guys, old picture na ito ng vegan eh. Ayan. So guys 160 subscribers na tayo guys. So pag nanood kayo guys, please subscribe to my channel and please like and subscribe guys and support me. 160 subscribers na tayo. Help me guys na maka 1,000 subscribers tayo dito sa aking channel. Okay. And guys, in tricycle, so let's review this.